Heard he talking to them people, so I gotta deal with him. Clip was too short, so I had to go extend it. Bitch, I'm out the game, please don't make me steal niggas. Your clique full of bitch niggas, they know that we build different. Oh yeah, I'm built different, yeah, key he build different. Ooh, KG, I'm built different. 700 trill nigga, they know that we build different, gang.
He sound like the other nigga's face. Right. Put niggas in their place. I got the warning banner rules. Today I'm finna catch a case. He say I'm Scotty with the Glock at 2 o'clock. It's like payroll with no direct deposit. I got a check for this pistol. Hitting targets that's after me with accuracy. It's like a test for this pistol, long clip. But the gun so big, how big? Even my shooters gotta help me prep for this pistol. He think he caught me slipping early morning while I'm gone. But what he don't know, this ain't my first time. I had to stretch for this pistol. Hand cramp. I let the holster hold. But won't catch you with anything instead of this pistol. My head on swivel. I count the bread and go to bed with this pistol, mad ass. The hollow tips, my nympho bitch, she keep busting and busting till I hear a click. Shit. I need some lead for this pistol. Mad ass. Mad ass. I'll design if it's up there. If he won't smoke, I'ma do him like I did this round. How's that? I just led with this pistol. It's quick, bitch. It's quick, bitch. Fucking talk. It's quick, bitch. This my house. He think he paved the way. Change the game. The bitch put a twist on my style and called it his. He like, we don't even talk the same. I'm like, you bugging, son. He got defensive and shit. Y'all remember that meme with ball his hand? Well, his fist was ball the same, but this shit, locked down. Cold word by the side. What that mean? You ain't gotta be a white girl to end up on a ball and chain 2 guns. Oh my God! What? Hey, I'm feeling something. What else? Talk your shit. I said this fight night. I like the edits before we started. You know what that means. Cold word by the side. What that mean? This bitch locked down, but you ain't gotta be a white girl to end up on the ball and chain 2 guns. The left, southbound, a ghetto ratchet. I heard Kenneth tell him where he stored his change. The right, a bougie hoe, a cold bitch from up north. She'll peel till for his clothes and chains, so if I catch him slacking, I'm Roger Rabbit. He get hit with both poles, that's a foreign exchange. You ignorant son of a bitch. You rushing up a ladder and pushing stars to greatness. I can tell you hungry, bro. But I'm hot here, top tier. Listen up. It's just like our ancestors, it all starts with patience. America was built off our backs. 400 years of altercation. Education, like the medication. Just enough to make an observation. See, they said they was bending over backwards for us, but it was our backs that was breaking. What this nigga learn? Not a damn thing. That's the only reason why he making the faces. So watch this white power split his black like segregation. The ruler. Boy! Watch this white power split his black like segregation. The Ruger, a movie. You see, the Ruger, a movie. But conflict in my presence, I keep the pieces. Either he get with the positivity or he leave the seats. He said he told the AK. But really, that don't mean a thing. Bah! That's my MLK. I just said freedom ring. He didn't even see this. Bah! That's my MLK. I just said freedom ring. He didn't even see the beam. More include. This bitch double stuck. Fuck a double cup. Cause every shot leave him slumped. So he won't even need them to eat the bounty up. You ain't no gangster. What you know about the cash on command? Or shooting out of a situation where you're the last one to stand. Or I got this ransom over here, but this, I'm gonna pass to your fans. I'm gonna feel like a kidnapper after I get this bag on your head. Now check this. Now check. Give a salute to your general, or I'm gonna put a stretch on the stretcher. Yeah. Here come the flips. He said they wouldn't be effective. I thought your last 3 years would have taught you a lesson, but this quick shit, all facts. Here's your wall and your call from heaven. Get on! You was an ugly. Daytime television, Flex Washington looking motherfucker. Get on! Oh, I got 1,000 views on YouTube, but nobody really watched the motherfucker. Get on! Promoted your ass, Poppy demoted your ass, and that nigga King Larry televised you talking on your alley. Get on! Also wrote the room with a gay joke and your reaction looked like you had to ask him about it. Get on! This battle so I don't lose or Duck Goose playing ass nigga. Yeah! Little body, big shoe wearing ass nigga. Yeah! Big tooth having ass nigga. Yeah! Or 10 tooth having ass nigga. Yeah! You claim a crew, but do that claim you looking ass nigga. Yeah! My nigga, I'm good in any hood, nigga. I'm good in any hood. Nigga in these streets, you niggas sharp, baby. He can pop that shit and be off. But come to Dallas, he gonna need insurance. You gonna find he ain't in good hands in all states. Wow! Nigga! He gonna find he ain't in good hands in all states. A real Texas nigga. But in the boot, they fuck with the star on the rise. See, your crew cool. You just the first BMG nigga to die. I ain't even got your OGs behind me. Bitch, why you looking surprised? All it takes is one call to Bug to get a beep, beep, beep. Time, nigga.
Let's go. Let's fucking work, man. BMG. I'm silly, you what?
Yeah.
That's a ball.
Oh, straight. I gotta lay down for this whole motherfucking shit.
Yo!
Yo!
I say it's Stretch versus KwikWitted.
Right? Yeah.
First, nigga, listen. You lip-wristed bitch. The only reason I put you on my list is shit, I figured the kid gifted. But in reality, you fucking trash. I don't give a fuck about what this bitch spitting. You tried to take my style. Trying to run off with my mojo until the SIG tricked them. Every time you mention gun, scopes, or a clip, I can tell that it's fictitious. Every time you get loud, your eyes get big. Y'all thinking of twerk. Fuck that. I'm thinking of Sid Vicious. You a fucking wrestling fan.
I caught that.
I'm thinking of Sid Vicious. You a fucking wrestling fan. Talking all that shit about how your taste gon' blam. I just left the Puerto Rico Havoc, so I'm obligated to clean up the messy can. You can't go! Talk! Go! So I'm obligated to clean up the messy can. You can't fuck with me. 1D, BMG can fall back. I don't need no company. You big bees? Fuck it. I'll pop up at your crib while you sitting comfortably, bitch. You can't fuck with the skills, so I'ma talk like you under me. Now this ain't got nothing to do with stock, experience, and names. This shit was personal. You call out all the big dogs, then you got the nerve to act like you deserve them too, thinking that was your perfect move. I watched your battle with Ricky C, and after that, I ain't even bother searching you. Let's get it cracking. Let's get it cracking. Or I'm finna get it cracking with blood. Let's talk stock. Cause fucking up one shot can see you back where you was, but I'm about that. You and your clique ain't full of house rats. Stop playing with me. I'm from the boot, the swamp, and your body gonna be found there. Nigga. The swamp is where your body gonna be found there. But let me ask you something. Are you at least top 30 in your city? Damn right. No, you're not. Top 20 in Wiggins. No, the fuck you said. So the fuck I thought.
Hold it down, hold it down.
Are you at least top 30 in your city?
Damn right.
Are you at least top 20 in rookies?
Damn right.
You acting like you what the fans chosen? You the type that be like when I fuck Tay Rock up. Until you reach for rock, you end up like Greg Oden. Bitch, I'm snapping on you. Until you reach for rock, you end up like Greg Oden. Bitch, I'm snapping on him. He in the house. After one blast, it's me and the ratchet. Let's have a passionate moment. Like the dunk fast. It's looking like an intrusion. Dipped in the bathroom with the mag. You already know what I'm doing. Classes in session, kicking the door. Whispers low that I use it. Thanks for shootings. Ain't no hope for a student. Bow! Now YouTube it. Ain't no hope for a student. No bow! Now YouTube it. Check the views and compare them bitches. See, I was fly from the start. So from there I flew up the ranks. Bitch, you can't compare who's sicker. A pair of clocks can live up at your face. Gave them 2 clear shots. For pepper liquor. Bow! Nah, man.
Shy.
You think that shit you said about the girl was cool? Nah.
Scoot over a little bit.
Shit was garbage. I wanted to take this time to go on the rant though, man.
Talk to him.
See, look, after my second battle with Styles, I really thought I'd change the game. They said I was all performance and no balls. Ever since, I grabbed the ink pad and relapsed. The page is stained with pain. Then someone said they hated every line I spit. Seemed like every round written down was made the same. Had me discouraged like shit. 4 battles, 0 progression. After all this work, how could I remain the same? But the crowd, sometimes, y'all glorify bullshit. He reacts to the fool shit to have a peon like him think he made a name. Like for real. At the funeral, if y'all folks pass, y'all praise the pastor, but undermine the man that made the grave. I'm just saying. Wow. Y'all praise the pastor at the funeral, but y'all undermine the man that made the grave. I'm just saying. I hear niggas yelling, Quick ain't had to clear our shit. Damn, you catch my ball about Damon Wayans. I was like, heads ball, major pain, nigga, that was major leg, so fuck that. Tonight, I'm in my new bag and I packed 2 things.
What's that?
Punches and razor blade. If I can't touch him, I cut him. And we gonna see how long it take to drain his veins.
Let's go, nigga. Let's go. Get comfortable, nigga. Let's go.
I can't lose to a nigga like you. He gon' think he hot shit if I call it in. How tall are you? About 6 foot? Cool. I'ma need that to have your coffin prepared. I'll pop out with the ratchet. As soon as that nigga walk in here like cold word Christmas.
What that mean?
Dang, the last thing he seen was the boxing bells. My Glock sick. These rounds contagious. Look like he catching the flu. I'm after the fool. I'm insane. My brain not matching the screws. I got that iron on me. It's like Dora the Explorer. You can check my backpack, put that strap in the boot. Niggas ain't got to keep going. I keep that iron on me. It's like Dora the Explorer. You can take my backpack, but the strap in the boot. Relax. Keep the lingo. Across the map, nobody take my back. I pack that strap in the boot. Bro, it's light. That's fucking light. Nobody take my back. I pack that strap in the boot. I'm schizophrenic. But I already told you I had some screws loose. Heads don't help. Gonna hurt you. BMG. Check the bodies, and I know who's who. See, I said I can't get physical. They said I can't get physical, but if I put a ring to his ear, it's hands free. Cause even my buttons on Bluetooth. Hashtag. Oh my God. Hashtag niggas. I hate the channel topic. Come on, Nick. Come on. Get it. Hashtag nigga. Now here's the trending topic in news groups and my dog get him. He get it shaking like salt and pepper, but he didn't have a blues clue. Now I think this the part where I lose you. Now pay attention, cause this the part where I lose you. He like, guess which room I'm in? I'm like the one with the paw prints. He seen the dog, he said, oh shit, bah, bah. I walk in, count my bodies like 1 bitch, 2 bitch. I'm about to sue the deuce. A monster. You should have approached me with caution, I lost it. Fuck these bitches, take a piss in the faucet, the monster. Get that same respect you showed to your father, I want him. Give me meat, but if he die before I get my bag, unfortunate. Cause all that dick gon' go to his daughter. See, I remember, a while back, Red hit me, it was like, I think I gotta play for you in February. I was like, cool. Let me know if anything come up. He called back like, wow, you got stretch. I don't know. He was like, this nigga hungry. I'm like, so what? You supposed to learn to...
Get it back.
I remember a while back, Red hit me and was like, yo, I think I gotta play for you in February. I'm like, cool. Let me know if anything come up. He called back and was like, wow, you gotta stretch. I don't know. He takes back and was like, nigga, he hungry. I'm like, so what? You supposed to learn a lesson from every matchup. I can't learn shit from this dumb fuck. This can't be a barking match. If you ain't got shit to bark about, so talk him out. This 3-0 quick. Tell BMG come and walk him out now. After he gets through with what he calls a fine round, nigga, we got some shit to talk about. Let's go.
I'm gonna need some help with this one. Cause this shit just not adding up. Now, you started in February. And I started in July. Nigga, you still ain't did half as much. I battle damn near every month. Putting on for Flatline. Making these niggas not even want to challenge us. But let me get this straight. Bitch, you been doing this shit for a fucking year and you still ain't hit 1,000, bruh? Well, fuck it, I'm with this shit. Headshot. Bow! Turn KwikWitted into a simpleton. That dumb shit. Ignorant. Hit the bitch.
That's fine. That's a fact. We feel it, nigga. Rap, nigga.
Headshot. Bow! Turn KwikWitted into a simpleton. That dumb shit. Ignorant. In his defense, he gonna say he wasn't motivated. Well, after this, bitch, you better find out how the fuck you gonna kill again. It's stretch. Nigga, it's stretch. It's stretch. If you need to act hyper, extensions come out. So break a leg. Nigga, this is your biggest opportunity. You're facing death. Big Demon, Grim Reaper. The thrill seeker up in the flesh, but I'm not excited. Bitch, you better bump me or something if you trying to make me go up on a fucking tyrant, trying to change up. If you trying to make me go off on a fucking tyrant, trying to sell me on your gimmicks, my nigga, well, I don't fucking buy it. See, I wanted a piece of the pie, ruin the cut. But it's the same way no matter how you fucking slice it. Got blood on the knife. Got blood on the knife. I sacrificed it with Christ before I wiped it. Then I'm dragging his body across Mountain of Zion. Bitch, I live by the... Dragging his body across Mountain of Zion. Bitch, I live by the demon code. Dagger up in your chest. I'm trying to seek your soul. Blood splattering, got a vest. Blood spill on the BlackSmith. Bah! Then I'm using your flag to clean up the fucking mess. Put some respect on it. Then I'm using your flag to clean up the fucking mess. Put some respect on it. But you gonna yell till your vocal cords get hoarse. Ever since Flatline had my back, stretch elevated. Nigga, that's moral support. But my last battle, I ain't gonna do you like King Larry, of course. Cause this problem was small size. 4'5". Bitch, I carry a dwarf. I'm short tempered. Cause this problem was small size. 4'5". Bitch, I carry a dwarf. I'm short tempered. BMG, you can't fuck with us. A Tuck Smith and I untuck. If you trying to debate real lines, like you ain't had no luck fishing. When you put in enough work, trying to debate real lines. If you ain't had no luck fishing, when you put in enough work, you can get whatever you want. See, I can even battle your mama's favorite. But fuck all that bullshit. Now it's time for greatness. I'm lifting the pump like a bitch that's too intoxicated. Now I dig in the truck, put out a pistol, then whip this bitch, but I ain't a dominatrix. No. Time, bro.
Let me lose my train of thought.
Don't do that.
Oh shit, stretch versus KwikWitted. That's what this about. But you remember what I told you at the end of the second round? This the round we got some shit to talk about.
Let's go. Yeah.
Y'all really got me up here listening to folk tales. The grand adventure of a whole living. Niggas out here really believe he's strapped up. Flipping the pack. Committing cold killings. This nigga stay with his teeth on. Ain't nobody ever seen you go get it. He say he the king of the boot. But I think it's time we read the fine print of that bold sentence. We can kind of get it.
Fire.
Because if you can't tell between doing the right thing and what's right to do. You can't tell between doing the right thing and what's right to do. You said it was on sight when you see me. Don't tell me the crowd is what's stopping. I'm right here. Where that demon is. He said he got a Glock. I got a Glock too. Nah, he wanna die digging. Bah! Fuck that. I'm pulling up to your spot and popping your drop too. Aw, bitch, I got the head. Yeah, don't get quiet now. That you can't same, 2218 Harris Street. Quick shit.
What's
Quick shit. It's getting time.
Lord.
Okay.
Word to KwikWitted. After this, we God tier. After this, it's finito. We consider conflict with a regular nigga Mortal Kombat. So I guess catching bodies made me a cold nigga. Sub-Zero can turn any object into a weapon. One time I also outfitted frozen taquito then. Got a new flame from Luke Kane with his shoe shame with the cheapo. Straight all in the kitchen, but can't take the heat though, you scary bitch. This nigga wanna talk shit, then that scary when the killers are waiting. But lately, when we hit the spot, it's like the nigga off training day. There's no one left alive when we're ready. This greatness. DD got you niggas thinking this demon energy intimidate. False. I wake up every morning and buy Quan Chi in the basement. Thank you. Talk your shit, nigga. Y'all get it? Y'all get it? Luke Kane, Sub-Zero, what? You get the message, homie. You face to face with the skin guy. You can put the pieces together. This ain't Tetris, homie. This nigga took 2 hours back to back to prep for me. I gotta respect him. No, I wasn't gonna give it to you anyway. Sight, he did the dragon fix. I thought I told you I had an attacking on me. Yeah, zip him up. I'm shooting Eminem with a little friend I like to call martial law. And like Tylenol, I got arrested on me. Who shot you? So many punches. This motherfucker gonna be like Chris Tucker. You don't even know who hit you. I brought the razor with me. So if I lift him up, jump him down on the blade. Yoshimitsu. Twin Glocks. Jackpot. I got the Addies on BMG. But just like a lotto, I picked 2. And I do shit niggas wouldn't even attempt to. When the Glocks, Siamese, Leage, her range, or foreign made, spinning on the pivot. So when this one kick, the other one comes around to kick too. Bro, you don't play games. Nigga, you bugging. But this 9, my pesticide. I'm sitting outside the spot. So when I raid, you gonna be the next to die. It's like giving the fly on the wall, Tylenol. Ain't gonna be nothing left to fly. Now I got a question for you. And I'm gonna need your best reply. And if you lie, my nigga, I'm gonna put you next to God to tell the truth. Cause we all know the truth, don't lie. Cause bitch, I got the proof. And the proof, don't lie. Now the question, no answers. What you do in your spare time? Preparing to choke or sucking ant dick? Or acting? Yeah, acting. That's some gay shit. Acting. Making them think that you strapped in. You been a gangster all your life? Well, I'll check the timeline. And with this info, you cannot win. When you always gripping that strap, flipping that work, and reselling it back then? Nah, couldn't be. Cause in 2014, this nigga rap name was Black King. Don't get mad, like the Barbie doll. The Black King. Don't get mad. Don't panic. I can hear him now. That was 6 years ago. In other words, past tense. But you 27, right? Well, I was born in 95, and I ain't seen one of them since back then. So I'm guessing the same nigga that gave you that strap you like to talk about is the same nigga that gave you that fat shit. So think about it. 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 I'm guessing the same person that gave you that strap you love to talk about is the same person that gave you that fat shit, but you mid-tier. So even if you were gay, I'm sure your stock would hardly fall. But now I know every time you talk about toys with attachments, this nigga was talking about his Barbie doll.
Come on, let go.
Yo! I say, since I got that shit out the way, now it's time for some action. Let's get ready to rumble. With
Hold it down.
Now that I got that shit out the way, now it's time for some action. Let's get ready to rumble. With 9s, 4 5s, and a Matic. But go ahead. Cause if you get mad, then I'm hit sticking. I came for the win. A tie just won't suit me. This big business, the experience not the same. Now I'm gonna show them why this shit different. I tucked the stick in, but you can't even tell I got it like Chris Griffin. You mad, nigga? You mad, nigga? Why? Cause I elevated in a quicker amount of time. Thought you'd be glad, nigga. From the scheme to the boss. Bitch, when you looked at me, you seen a star. That's Jack Thriller, the passion been there. If you don't believe me, you better ask your niggas. I ain't feeling like myself. If you don't believe me, you better ask your niggas. I ain't feeling like myself. But I ain't finna take a fucking break and grab us niggas quick with it. Quick with it, me quick punches is too easy. Get up 1, 2, then I uppercut like it's nothing. I'm too sneaky. I quick with the blade, then I'm tapping your bitch face. Got your boo leaking. See, I was too eager. See, I was too eager to come up in here and scream in your motherfucking face. To stand right here and put you in your motherfucking place. But hold on. As far as Texas rookies, why the hell am I above you? And that ain't even my motherfucking state. Please explain to me. Please explain it.
Them niggas garbage.
Please.
Them niggas garbage.
That ain't even my motherfucking state. Please explain to me. Cause I ain't understanding this shit. You think Bill Ritten's fuck with you? Dumbass nigga. Yo, death, he was already planning this shit. I'm gripping things. I'm gripping things. Fucking chance of precipitation. Cause after you hit a bang and then it rain, I feel insane. I'm on a new level. I can't lie, this high got me addicted. Now I'm feeling like I can smoke anything. Pussy. Pussy. Give me
Keep praying weed. Give him some water. Give him some water, man. Yeah, y'all make some noise. Y'all make some noise. Keep rapping.
I can't lie, this high got me addicted. Now I'm feeling like I can smoke anything. Pussy. Give me a reason. And explain the 30-pack while your footage got rumors. You say he was gonna haul off and slap me. Well, bitch, nigga didn't do it. Bitch, nigga didn't do it. Try it and lose a tooth for proving your dominance. You say niggas be sleep on you. Bow. Now a deathbed is what you truly be lying in. We litty bitch. We litty bitch. We litty bitch versus the click and the 50 spit. I keep the peace. No hippie shit, my team elite. Spine shot, bah! If you ever try to diss me, bitch, for taking this past battle rap. If you ever try to diss me, bitch, for taking this past battle rap, bitch, I'm into that. If you try to slap, then it's a rap. If you try to relax, the 5th attack. I even got the SIG and the DE, so if you don't book, I'm turning quick bitch ass to chicken scratch. If you I'm turning quick bitch ass to chicken scratch, but let me get this straight. So you coming out of Texas quick? Bitch, nigga, the bullets that's coming out of the Texas quick. You get stressed and zip, fuck the cops. I even hit the station. Then go busting at 12 like I was late for my second shift. If you know me, you know I don't just rap for a check. It's hella passion in the pen. Bitch, I rap for respect. I'm for originality. Now I'm rapping the best, so if you jump in, make sure you remember to stretch, nigga. Stretch.